fertilizer is fertilizer that the government help pay for so farmer can buy it at a lower price. The fertilizer is really important to for farmers, especially small farmers who rely on small plots of land and have a low income. But in the last few years, it's become more and more common for subsidized fertilizer to be searched. Many farmers are complaining that it's hard to get, even if they are registered to receive the subsidies. Some farmers even have to wait in line for hours, only to go home empty and handed. Without subsidies fertilizer, the cost of production goes up a lot. Farmers are forced to buy non-subsidies fertilizer, which is much more expensive of the cost and planning gets higher. This makes things even hard farmer and puts them at risk of losing money.
There are several reasons why subsidies fertilizer is becoming scarce. First, the government limits the quota of subsidies fertilizer. The amount of fertilizer available often is not enough to meet the needs of farmers in the field. Second, the data on farmers is not always accurate. Not all farmers have a farmer card or are registered in the system, so they can get subsidy fertilizer. Third, the distribution of fertilizer is not even. Some areas get a lot of stock, while others don't have enough. Plus, fertilizer shipments are often late, so farmers can fertilize their crop on time. Fourth, there's misuse of subsidies fertilizer either by people who resell it at a higher price or by people who are not supposed to receive the subsidy. All of these factors make the scarcity even worse.
The scarcity of subsidies fertilizer has a big impact on farmers. The first, of course, is lower crop yields. Plants without enough fertilizer won't grow as well. Their leaves will be yellow, their stems will be small, and they won't produce as much fruit. The second impact is higher production of farmers have to buy non-subsidies fertilizer, which can cost 2 or 3 times as much. This makes farmers' profits smaller, and they can even lose money. Addiction, scarcity of subsidies, fertilizer also causes farmers to lose motivation. Many farmers feel hopeless and choose to stop farming because they feel like their work is getting harder. If this continues, Indonesian food scarcity could be threatened because the production of rice, corn, vegetables, and other food crops will decrease.
To overcome the scarcity of subsidies fertilizer, there are several steps that can be taken. The government needs to increase the quota of subsidies fertilizer to match the needs of farmers in the fields. Also, the farmer data system needs to be improved so that the farmers are left out. The supervision of fertilizer distribution also needs to be tightened to prevent hoarding and illegal sales. Subsidies fertilizer must actually reach the farmers who are entitled to it. Farmers themselves can start buying organic fertilizer as an alternative, such as compost, manure, or biofertilizer. Besides being cheaper, organic fertilizer also help improve soil quality. If cooperation between the government, distributors, and farmers works well, then the problem of subsidies fertilizer scarcity can be reduced and Indonesia agricultural sector can become more advanced.